one of my best trading strategies. With this strategy, you can easily generate 1:10 risk to reward ratio. Now, this strategy will show you where to place your stop loss. You understand? Like as I said, you can easily generate for every confirmed signal, you can easily generate 1:10 risk to reward ratio. Now, you need only two indicators: moving average and MACD indicators. These are what the only two indicators you need to record massive profit. Now, before we proceed, let me show you how to do what? Set up the indicators. Now, I want you to pay attention, understand the settings for the indicators, because that is where the main thing is. Do you understand? All right, let me show you how to set up the indicators. You click on F. Now, like as I said, you need only two indicators: moving average and what? MACD indicators. Now, for moving average, the period is 100. The period is what? 100. This is the period 100 shift 0. Now, method of moving average is what? Exponential. Apply to close. Now, pixel for pixel. Do you understand? Choose color of your choice. Now, that is all for moving average. So once you're done setting the moving average this way, you click on what? Done. Now, the next indicator is MACD indicator. Do you understand? So you click on MACD. Now, here are what the parameters for MACD. Here are what the parameters you need to set up MACD indicator. Fast EMA is 70, slow EMA is 26, MACD XMA is 2. Do you understand? Apply to close. Now, here are what the style: main 4 pixel, signal 4 pixel, red and green color. Do you understand? So once you're done setting up the MACD indicator, you click on done. Now, back to our charts. Now, this is what our chart. Now, let me show you how to make use of these two indicators and record massive profit. Like as I said, for each confirmed entry, you can easily generate 1:10 risk to reward ratio. Do you understand? And this indicator will show you where to place your stop loss. Do you understand? All right, now let me show you how the indicator works. Now, from the side, if you look at my screen now, there are two compartments. There are two sides: the indicator side and the MACD side, and the chart side. All right, here, if you look here now, from the side of MACD, you will see the crossing of MACD from up downwards. Now, once you see this type of crossing, MACD crossing from up downward, this is what a clear buy signal. It is more of like a divergence style. Now, the MACD is crossing from up downward, while the candlesticks is moving from down upward. Do you understand? It's just like a divergence. Do you understand? All right, now this is where I want you to pay attention: the point of crossing of MACD, the point where MACD crosses. Look at this. Do you understand? That is the area I want you to do what? Pay attention. This is 0 mark here. Do you understand? That is the area, the point of crossing is where I want you to do what? Pay attention. Now, when the crossing occur from, like in this case now, when the crossing occur from up downward, that is what? A buy signal. So all you need is to do what? Trace it up to where the crossing occur. Do you understand? You trace it up. And another thing is that the candlesticks must be above the moving average. Do you understand? Now, you make your entry from this point. You make your entry here. Now, like as I said that this strategy will show you where to place your stop loss. Do you understand? Now, your stop loss should be just below the moving average. Just below the moving average. This is where your stop loss should be, just below the moving average. That is where your stop loss should be. Do you understand? All right, let me show you clearly what I mean. Now, look at where the crossing occur. Now, this is the candlestick where the crossing occur exactly. Are you seeing it? So I want you to make your buy entry at this point. I want you to make your buy entry at this point where the correction occur. Are you seeing it? Right, this is where the correction occur. Are you seeing it? So you make your buy entry. Make your buy entry here. Place your stop loss just below the moving average, and this is what a huge profit. You see that here, as I said, you can easily generate 1:10 risk to reward ratio easily with this strategy. Do you understand? So this is for buy signal. Now let's proceed. Let's proceed. See, this is what a huge profit. I seen it. All right, now this is what a this is where the MACD crosses from down upward. So this is what a clear sell signal. Do you understand? This is what a clear sell signal. MACD crossing from down upward. This is what a clear sell signal. So this is what I want you to do. This is the correction where the correction occur. This is the candlestick where you need to place your sell order. Do you understand? All right. So once you place your sell order from the point where the correction occur, this is the correction, and this is the where you need to do what? Place your sell order. Now your stop loss should be just above the moving average. That's where your stop loss should be, and this is what massive profit. Do you understand? So this is what one of the highest paying strategy of mine. Do you understand? All right, now let's proceed. This is for sale. Let's proceed. Now this is another correction here. This is what another correction here. This is where the correction occur. So you make your what? Buy entry. Make your buy entry where the correction occur. So I want you to make a buy entry here. Make a buy entry where the correction occur here. So here is the correction from the side of MACD, and this is the candlestick where the correction occur. I've seen it. So you make your buy entry from here. You place your stop loss just below the moving average, and as you can see, this is what a huge profit. You understand? So like as I said, this is one of my highest paying strategy. Do you understand? So watch the video, understand it, apply it the way it is on volatility 75 index. Time frame is 1 hour time frame. Volatility 75 index. Time frame is 1 hour time frame. Do you understand? So if you apply it the way I explain it on this video, you will start recording massive profit. So don't forget, this is OPTIMER FX, where profitable strategies are shared. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share the video, let others benefit and change their trading history for good. Thank you.